Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of a full-size box spring. So I ordered this for my teenage son. He's a senior in high school and he was in need of a new box spring. So this is him unboxing the box spring from Amazon, and I will of course leave the link in the description box below. But this one, I read the reviews on it. It had really good reviews. Everyone said it was easy to assemble and that it only took them 10 minutes or less. So I thought, okay, well, we'll see. So we decided and I really shouldn't say we, I was just filming. I decided to let him do the assembly on the box spring. So you'll be able to see for yourself if this is something that you're in need of. Another thing that sold me was that the reviews said that there were no tools required. So I decided, why not? Let's give it a shot. So he started by taking it out and just kind of snapping the frame in place. And this is probably the part that took the longest. I mean, it was just simply unfolding it. It was already roughly assembled. So he just straightened out the sides, and then you can see him kind of putting those end pieces on. And again, they easily slide into place. He used just a little bit of force, but again, this is something that anybody could do. And I wanted him to learn how to do it himself since he is getting older and should be going off to college soon. So I figured, why not start learning how to do some DIY projects? So this one, again, went on pretty smoothly, and then you will do the exact same thing on the opposite end. So I'm just going to show you, this is him getting the part out of the box. And I know that's a little off camera and you can't see it, but it's the exact same thing on the other end. And then this is going to be the top of the bed where he will just attach that end piece to the frame. And that's it. That will provide that overall support there. So far, didn't take very long, no tools required, and simple enough for a teenager to put together. So the next thing that he decided to get out was the support pieces that go through the middle of the bed. So you're going to see that next. He's got that stepped into place. And now we're going to start with the support pieces. And again, they just simply slide into place. It took him a little while, as you can see, for him to get it aligned, but oh, he had it turned the wrong way. But once he got it lined up correctly, again, just kind of slid that one into place at that end. And then at the top of the bed, slip right into place. And I just told him to check it just to make sure that it was firm and sturdy. And then he went to get the other piece. And then again, make sure you have it turned the correct way. And it simply slides into place. You'll see him positioning it there. And that's it. I'm testing it just to make sure that it's sturdy. So that is the most difficult part. And then there are the crossbars that are going to provide the support for your body weight. And there are several of those slats that you will add to the bed, but you simply lock them in place. They require very little force. Again, no tools used so far. And that's it. So you're going to continue to see him add the slats to his box spring frame. Again, just pushing down. And you're going to continue with the slats. And that'll be the support that you need for your box spring. So I also decided to wait a little bit to film this video, to post this video, because some of the other comments that I read was that the bed was squeaky or that the bed didn't have any legs. So this is a box spring. It's not a platform bed, so it doesn't have any legs. So that's one thing that I'll point out. But he's been sleeping on this now for a couple of months, and he has not had any problems with it. It has held up really well. It's not noisy. So I wanted to make sure of that before I posted a video, because I didn't want to recommend something to you all that would not be factual. So far, We have not had any issues. And as a matter of fact, I'm in the process of purchasing another one because this one was just simply so easy to put together. The reason we got this one was because his former box spring had wooden slats, and he kneeled down on his box spring and the wooden piece broke, so we decided to replace it with this. The other comments that I saw in the reviews was that the hardest part was to put the cover on the box spring once you got it assembled. And everybody recommended that you get an extra set of hands. So I had both of my sons to do that together. And the recommendation was that you completely unzip the cover before you tried putting this frame in the cover. So you'll see that. So this is the last slat that he's putting in place. And that's it. The box spring is now fully assembled, and it is accurate. It took less than 10 minutes to put together. And then it comes with this cover for your box spring. So I just had him to unzip the cover and had his brother to come help him because it's a little awkward getting that because it's a snug and tight fit. But that's it. Once he unzipped it and they put the cover on, it fit fine, and like I said, he's been sleeping on it with no problem. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel PJ Danita Trends, please consider joining my YouTube family. My name is Paula, and I would love to have you. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.